Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small Dollar General haul plus some Dollar Tree. So if you love the dollar store, give this a thumbs up and let's get started. From the Dollar General, these are my favorite types of sponges. They help protect my manicure, my nails. From the True Living brand, these are just shaped scrubbers. You get 5 in here. They are only $1. Dollar Tree has these for $1.50 now, so I'm going to continue to buy these at Dollar General. You get 2 yellow, 2 blue, and a red. Same identical sponge as Dollar Tree. So this sponge here is from Dollar Tree. So you hold it and see how your nails are kind of protected. Yeah. I love this sponge. Definitely my go-to. Got a pack of those. So I needed the sponges and also needed scent boosters. In the dollar aisle I found a few things going down there and looking in that aisle for scent boosters. This is an item that I no longer buy at Dollar Tree. But from the Powerhouse brand in-wash scent boosters, this is Lavender Burst 12 ounces for $1. A much better deal than Dollar Tree. The amount of product that you get price-wise now. I know I'm not crazy about lavender, but this is the only one that they had. So I'll usually pick up this lavender scent or the fresh linen one or the fresh one. But this is the only one they had on the shelf. So they had this other brand, and I typically don't get this one, but I just thought I would get it and mix it in with my stuff. Is the Extra In-Wash Scent Booster in Ocean Breeze. I love the way this one smells. Now this one is 5 ounces, and these look a little different. They smell great though. So they look... There's one that's stuck together like that. And they smell really great, but the container itself is only about halfway full. I'm sure I got the weight in them, I guess, but I'm just saying. And then the lavender ones look like little crystals. So, just want to show you a little comparison of the two. So that's what they look like. But for $1, you really can't beat that. I just love the scent of watermelon. And I was actually on the hunt for some fall items when I went also. But I saw this and I could not help it. I just thought, okay, I hope this smells really good. And I thought it was cute, especially for the bathroom, because the bathroom's the only place that I use these types of air fresheners. From the Wizard brand, I picked up the Refreshing Watermelon Crystal Beading Air Freshener. So it has like little scent-filled Orbeez. It looks like a flower on top. How cute. And refreshing watermelon. They had lots of watermelon scents, and I thought about picking up more items, but I know that I'm getting ready to go into fall mode because it's my favorite season. I cannot wait, so that's probably the last summery scent I'll pick up unless I find something really special. The last item I found in the Dollar Deal aisle is the Soft Whisper Toasty Coconuts. Yes! I believe I saw someone haul this. I don't think that I've had this one in the past. I could be wrong because I've used a lot of Soft Whisper. But for $1, you get 22 fluid ounces. That is not a bad deal. This is actually a really good body wash. It's not as thin formula as the others. It's a thicker, creamier formula, and I like that. So Toasty Coconut moisturizing body wash. It has aloe in it. I always like their little packaging, and it smells really good. I would say not a super strong coconut scent, but you know, a light one. But it's still coconut nonetheless, one of my favorites. So I can't wait to use that. Toasty Coconut. Coconut's another one of my definitely go-to scents. So now on to Dollar Tree. First thing at Dollar Tree was I had to look at the fall decor, and the first thing I saw was this really cute sign. I had to have it. This time when I went to the Dollar Tree, yes, there was price changes. The house items are $1.50 now. A lot of the items are $1.50. The sign that I purchased was $1.50. The sign is adorable. I absolutely love it. I got that to hang in my kitchen. So Yes. Yes, yes, please. And then we also did get 2 boxes of tissues. I already have them in my stock cabinet, but they were $1.50 each. Some items are actually starting to be a lot cheaper at Dollar General over DollarTree, and has been for a while, even with their $1.25 switch. And this is a side note, a side story. The cashier was telling us how everyone is so upset about the price increase that they thought that it was, you know, too much and it wasn't fair because it's a dollar store. But everything's going up and it does suck, but you either shop there or you don't. You either pay the price or you don't. She said one man even threw a package of batteries at her the other day because of prices. Oh, that leads me to my next thing. We did buy, my husband already used them, a package of 9-volt batteries, and I believe those were $1.50 as well. Poor lady, that's awful. And she said that they automatically assume that they, as the workers, are the ones that change the prices. And I just thought that was awful, because they're not. It's not their fault. If people have a problem with these things or a business, you go to corporate. You don't go to the employees and act out. It's not right. So anyways, moving on. Be kind to everyone, everywhere. Just always be kind. Kind. It's free. I've been needing a new planner. So they had these in blue, red, and green. I love green. I grabbed green. If they'd had purple, I probably would have grabbed the purple. Green and purple, my favorite colors. Look how vivid this green is too. It's got some holographic right on it. It does say Student Planner 2025 to 2026. That doesn't bother me. I'll stick some stickers on it or whatever. I just basically love to have a planner. Every year, I used to do full-blown planner videos. I'm sure some of you have seen them. I totally got out of that. It just took a lot of time. And I'm a full-time mom. A stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home wife. So I feel that I'm always busy and I just didn't have time for it. But I do like to get a new one every year. Write down stuff during the school year. And other important things. But yeah, this is what it looks like and how it's laid out. I do prefer the little boxes, but this was $1.25, so I'm not doing much complaining. And I've already been writing in it, so that's why I'm showing you like in December and November. But basically, this planner goes through August of next year, which is awesome. So I have a new planner. The last and final item that I picked up was, of course, a nail polish in this trip. Now, because they're so little items, I do plan on going to, because I couldn't find any other new makeup items or anything like that, and I'd like to find some stuff to do some reviews on and things like that. So I will probably be going to a different Dollar Tree tomorrow to look for new beauty finds. But this store, I found one. And it's a nail polish, and it's the Candy Moyo 967 nail polish. That's they're numbered, not named. And this one's going to be perfect for fall. And yes, it's going to be built up. It kind of looks like it might be a jelly formula. So definitely a 3-coater with visible nail line. But this is going to be a beautiful background for some fall nail art. How stunning is this? It's between like a dark red and a plum with holographic glitter. It's absolutely stunning. I love these Candy Moyo polishes. They're sheer usually, and you have to build them up. Even though, like I said, I can tell that it's going to be sheer, but the holographic glitter and this fall vibe in a bottle, ooh, it's dark, it's vampy. I'm here for it. Store number 2. So this is a totally separate Dollar Tree location. I got a thing of bleach with lemon and a package of AAA batteries. Connor picked up these double bubble bits and pieces bubblegum. He's excited to try that. He also loves this Halloween, like inflatable kind of items. They had lots of Halloween decor out. He wanted this 4-foot tall inflatable skeleton. We paid $7 for him, and it looks like that. It was between him, and he glows in the dark too, and a ghost. the skeleton was by far the better option. But Connor's really excited for that. He loves Halloween. School supplies. I needed to pick up Connor 2 pencil pouches. I just have like the paper part of this one because I've already threw them in his backpack. These are like the iridescent ones, and he picked the blue one. So I do have some pictures of them. Another different type, like 2 zipper parts to it. So a mesh part and then a top zipper, if that makes sense. And it's blue. The pencil pouches were still $1.25 each. The batteries were $1.50 and the bleach was $1.50 as well. And I picked up these stretchy headbands. You get 6 of these for $1.25. That is a great deal. They're all black. Then I repurchased these. They are still $1.25 and it's the People's Choice Women's Daily with iron. 30 tablets in here, and I do like these, so I picked up another bottle of those. Exciting items, body care, skin care, nail polish, and a couple makeup items. I guess I'll start with body care. So I found the Global Beauty Care Polishing Body Scrub with watermelon and hyaluronic acid. Look how adorable this packaging is. It has vitamin A, C, and E. You get 6 ounces. They had this one and like a more tropically one. I didn't like pick it up to look at it. I just saw watermelon, was like, ooh, this one. Hydrate and boost radiance. So yes. And from personal care, I picked up the body wash in the limited edition scent Sweet Pineapple and Melon Scented, 15 ounces. Very tropically, very pineapple-y, and I love how this smells. Everyone raves about these, so I have high hopes. 15 ounces. Yes, please. A couple skincare items. My 2 favorite sheet masks are the ones that are milk and honey. But I did find a honey mask at DollarTree, and these were all $1.25. Everything else in the rest of the video here, it was $1.25 still. And this is the Real Veggie Farm Double Shot Mask. And this is a honey mask. Highly nourishing essence mask with super food extracts. Moisturizing, nourishing, revitalizing, soothing. Contains honey extract. I cannot wait to try this out. I love honey mask. Hoping to find the oatmeal skincare there. I was able to find the Dermasil Oatmeal Facial Cleanser, and this has the oatmeal and snow mushroom, 5 ounces. I like the Dermasil products. They are typically really good. I was hoping to find the toner there too so I could use them together, but I didn't. Maybe some other day. But you get a little flip top here, and I can't wait to try this out. I bet it's going to be awesome. So next up I want to share the nail polishes I found. So I was watching Nails with Jen. If you're not subscribed to her, definitely go check her channel out. I'll link it in the description box below. She does all kinds of nails, vlogs. She talks about food and coffee, mental health, all kinds of stuff. She is the sweetest. So definitely go check her channel out. But I was watching her, one of her videos, and she showed this Color Vibe nail polish. And it's in the shade Cherry Blossom. And I instantly thought, could this be a dupe for my LA Colors Creamy Neon Polish in Girl Talk that is, I'm pretty sure, possibly discontinued now, that if you find it in the store, you find it, but they don't have it online anymore. I swatched them together, and it might be a hair off, but it's close enough that I would say they are dupes. And this is such a beautiful pink. This tone of pink looks so good with my skin tone. So I wanted to pick up another one because this is a color I could pick up and put on my nails, on my toes, and just not have to worry about it. It looks good on me. And then, of course, they had a bunch of the Sinful Colors double packs. I was excited to find more of the this honey collection. The first one here is this really beautiful blue, and it's in Caribbean Cool. I use plenty of blues, and this is going to be a really beautiful like color to use. This is going to be beautiful for skies. So I'm glad I got that one in this set. And then this from the Golden Honey Flaky Effect. That's what it says. This one's called Buzz Off. Okay. And this one's in a jelly base. You can see that it's going to be very sheer. But it has these... So the base looks like it might be like a brownish base, not black, even though it seems like it's just darker. So it seems like it's in a brown base. I'll have to swatch it to truly tell. And then it has these gold glitter flecks in it, flaky flecks in it, with this red kind of glitter running through it too. It's really beautiful. And my first thought for this one, I was like, ooh, fall. So happy I found that. And then the last few items I have are makeup related. This DollarTree didn't have much to choose from in that department either. But I was able to grab a couple things that we can review, try out, test out on a full face. So here we are. And I thought these were interesting. This is the Makeup Blending Sponge by Be Pure. And it is infused with rose oil. So I was kind of curious to see if these have a scent to them. The packaging is super cute. These would be very, very cute basket or bag filler for makeup related. It seems like it might be kind of soft through the packaging. I won't know until I open them in that video. But rose oil. And then the Be Pure Makeup Blending Sponge. And this one is infused with green tea oil, which this is the one I was originally just going to pick up. I wasn't going to get the rose oil one, but I was so curious. It got me. Because I love the green. So I was like, why not test this sponge out? So I'm so excited to try these sponges out. I have never found this product in my shade until today. And everyone talks about this product. Everyone raves about this product. So I am incredibly excited to try this. But it's from Candy Moyo. And it's the Beauty Benefit Cream. So they're BB cream. And I got the shade Light 1. And it's a multi-action skincare plus makeup. It's 1 fluid ounce. And apply and blend with fingertips. Here's your ingredient list. So we're going to test this out in a full face, a full review. So that's the last item I picked up today. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more DollarTree videos.